If you're watching this video right now, that means I'm already on your For You page on TikTok or your new feeds on Facebook. So my name is Chirozi X and welcome to my very first vlog video. And in this video, I'm going to take you to the biggest seafood market in Bahrain, which is totally different than the India and Pakistan. Right now, we are heading to the market, which is like a few steps away from me. And I'm already smelling the fish. Like, I don't want to smell it, but I have to go inside if I need to make a video. Enter in the market, you can see all the meat here, and in this side you see all the chicken. Oh, sorry, I mean all the fish. There's no chicken here, I think. I'm gonna start with here. But yeah, is it goat, right? Bakra, right? So this is goat meat. Like you see the goat meat here. There's the legs. You know, people eat these too. So there's a head here. And here you can see all the goats. The vegetarian is going to attack me, I don't care. So this is all you can see, the meat market here. All the side smell here is just meat and fish. All the seafoods here and all the meat here, like you can see there's nothing else. You see nothing, just fish, and you see the goat. They don't have beef here, they just have a goat, and the different part of the goat is the head and the legs of the goats. Now I'm going to take you to the fish side. This is my favorite part because they're not just crabs, I think. Let's see. When I talk about the normal fishes, I don't think they are normal fishes because where I am from, I see the fish size of like a tiny ants. Yeah, like I don't know what fishes are. What's the big one? Lahla. It's in Arabic, right? Okay, and the red one. Okay. Oh god, we have a big one here too. Which one is that? Oh shit. Which one? Tivoli English. Tivoli. Okay. So this is Tivoli, and this is a red one. You can see the different colors. I never seen a different color fish before. I just see the silver one here. So thank you, brother. I'm gonna see front. So as you can see here, he's cutting it. Okay. Oh shit. He's just chopped it. Alright, which one? Scatfish. Okay. And it's like it's different from other fishes, right? Like different from other fish bites. Look like a cat. Alright. You can see, guys, this is like not normal. You see the normal fish like a black fish, but they are white fish. Like kind of shark, right? And oh my god. Shit, guys, this is massive. I think my video is going to be blocked because of the blood. Do they have crabs or like seashells or like shark? But they say it's a breeding time. That means we cannot get any crabs or seashells. But I'm looking if I can find the shark here. Brother, do you have shark? You got shark? Is it shark meat? Oh, it's shark meat. So the brother is saying that it's a shark. It's a cat here. Oh shit! So it's a shark meat, right? And you just cut the entire thing. Okay. So why do people say there's no crab because of breeding time? No crab, no seashell.
Stop already. Stop already, cat.
You stop that. Why?
3 months.
3 months stop. It's a breeding time. So he's saying that it's a breeding time. That means we cannot get any crab or nothing. But this, let me show you something. Look at this. This fish looks something like it. What's the fish name? Kali? Damn, it's like a Kali, like it's an Indian villain. You can see that. And I'm going to take you the last part because I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm not going to take it so long. It's my first vlog. I'm already nervous. So, what is the fish name? Name of the fish. Nicer. So, as you guys know, we saw the red one over there. Now there's a yellow one here. I never see any fucking different color than it's gray. I just try to show you the pretty much of everything, but as you guys know, this is my first vlog video. I think I'm going to make a lot of mistakes. I'm not going to say that I didn't do best because in the first video I did my best, and I'm going to post it on Facebook, and I'm gonna see you guys' reaction, or you guys respond to that video. And please let me know what should I do next because it's my first vlog. I'm out of idea. I'm not going to upload any random video. I need your suggestions, your advices. Where should I go next and what should I do? Because I'm going to cut this video in a lot of part because I said so many curse words. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. I'm gonna see you in the next video and take care of yourself and bye.